Welcome back, friends. I'm Chief Meteorologist Jeff Hanowich. You'll notice, of course, this Weather Authority alert day for Wednesday. Until then, things look pretty quiet. That includes right now into tonight. Nothing really happening here locally as we expand the picture a little bit for you and show you what's going on regionally. To the north, that is where we have some snow, but all that snow for now going to stay to the north of us. And really, Tuesday looks to be a pretty quiet weather day as well. So as we look at the snowfall potential for the rest of today, you're going to notice that we're going to have a little piece of energy coming out of the Rockies, eventually moving into places like Kansas City, Wichita, and eventually towards St. Louis. This is a part of the system that we're going to have to keep a close eye on, because this is part of our next weather maker. It's going to kind of meet up with another storm system along the Gulf and move to the north and to the east as we go into Wednesday night into the early part of Thursday, and provide us here at home the chance for some snow. So what I want to do is show you a couple of computer models. This is the European model. The European model brings us anywhere from roughly 1 to 4 inches of snow. Okay, so this is the European model, and what I do want to make sure you know is that we're going to have, I think, anywhere from about 1 to 6 inches of snowfall. We're looking at a little bit less snow west and a little more snow to the east. The temperature setup right now has us pretty chilly, but you also need to know that we've got cold air, or I should say even colder air, out to the west of us. We've got the polar jet stream and the subtropical jet stream in close proximity to one another. And when that happens, the cold air is allowed to seep pretty far down to the south. And so what we're looking at here is cold air in place here for the next several days. Highs tomorrow in the 40s. But by the time Wednesday and Thursday roll around, we're only looking at highs in the 20s and 30s. Probably more 20s than anything else. Okay, so it is going to be very, very cold here midweek, allowing for this to mainly be snow for us. Now it's 23 right now in Hot Springs, 30 in Wytheville, 37 as we speak in Roanoke, 39 Lynchburg. You're in the 40s right now, 42 to 46 across South Side. And as we go zone by zone for Tuesday, you're going to notice that we're looking at highs across the Roanoke Valley, about 43, 40 in Blacksburg, 45 Lynchburg, 47 in Danville. And that puts us anywhere from 5 to 10 degrees below average on Tuesday. Keep in mind, as we look into our crystal ball and look out to the future, certainly looks like by the time we go into March, which is a little ways away, but by the time we go into March, there are indications that we're going to start to warm things back up a little bit. For tonight, your low is about 26. We're going to be mostly clear tonight, cold with the winds weakening. Certainly has been a breezy day for us. Those winds are going to lessen tonight. They're not going to be much of a factor for us tomorrow. Maybe a little bit of a breeze from time to time, west wind 5 to 10. You need to know, though, clouds are slowly going to thicken for us tomorrow, and we are going to be chilly. All right, let's spend some time here on this 7-day forecast. 29 on Wednesday and on Thursday. We are looking at the worst of the weather happening for us from roughly daybreak Wednesday through Wednesday evening. There could be one more little piece of energy pivoting through on Thursday that provides us a few more snow showers, but I'm thinking the worst of the weather will likely be for us from about daybreak Wednesday through Wednesday evening. By the time Friday and Saturday roll around, we should be dry with more sunshine, and it looks to be mainly just some scattered rain showers on Sunday and Monday of next week. Again, we're looking at anywhere from about 1 to 6 inches of snow. I'm looking at those lower totals in the mountains where we could see 1 to 3, and then you go further east, that's where we could see, anywhere from about 3 to 6. So this is a storm system that if you're watching the computer models like we do all the time, was storing us a lot of snow on Saturday and Sunday. If you look towards the computer models for Wednesday and Thursday, you saw totals up to 16, 17 inches of snow. Well, those
That's
numbers,
not happening.
That does not appear to be happening now. I'm thinking about 1 to 5, 1 to 6. And the reason for that is the storm system looks to be moving a little bit further south and east. And that would put like the jackpot totals, if you will, here in the Commonwealth in Virginia Beach.
Which is unusual.
It is.
Right.
It's happened a couple times this year. This winter has been crazy.